Hello dear fans. When is the summer and winter solstice? Astronomy is one of the most ancient sciences. All civilizations proportioned human life with the movement of the luminaries in the sky. The length of the day and the year are in direct proportion to the frequency with which the Earth rotates around its axis and around the Sun. The characteristic points of the Earth's annual rotation are the days of the spring and autumn equinox, summer and winter solstices. The dates of the holidays and the calendar of agricultural work were timed to them. Characteristic points of the Earth's annual rotation. The orbit in which our planet revolves around the Sun is not a circle, it has the shape of an ellipse. The Earth completes its revolution around the Sun in 365 days. During the year, along with a change in the distance from the equator to the Sun, the length of daylight hours, and hence the night, also changes. In the northern hemisphere, in winter the days are short and the nights are long, while in the summer, on the contrary, the day becomes longer than the night. Accordingly, there are 4 characteristic points in the Earth's orbit, when there is the shortest day, the longest day, and 2 days in which day and night are equal in duration. The days when they are equal in duration to the night are called equinox days and fall on March 21st and September 21st. And those days on which the center of the Sun crosses the points of the ecliptic farthest from the equator are called solstice points, winter and summer. In the northern hemisphere, the shortest day of the year falls on December 21st or 22. On this day of the winter solstice in the southern hemisphere is the shortest night. There is summer at this time. The summer solstice for the northern hemisphere falls on June 20th or 21. These days the winter solstice is observed in the southern hemisphere. Fluctuations in dates are due to leap shifts. Astronomers take the winter solstice as the beginning of winter, and the summer solstice as the beginning of summer. In the northern hemisphere in spring and early summer, you can see how every day the sun rises higher above the horizon. After the day of the summer solstice it starts to fall again, the days are getting shorter, and the weather is colder. Indeed, the higher the sun, the more steeply its rays fall, the more it warms up the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. Therefore, at the equator, where the sun is at its zenith all year round, it is always hot. Solstice and ancient civilizations. For many peoples, the days of the solstice were a milestone that marked the change of seasons, which means that these dates, along with the days of the equinox, were tied to the calendar of agricultural work. The ancient Egyptian pyramids and religious buildings of the Mayans and Aztecs are oriented to the sun and are a kind of sundial that marked the beginning of sowing, harvesting, etc. The main axis of the stone structure Stonehenge in England and Newgrange in Ireland is oriented according to the dates of the winter solstice. On this day it points to the point of sunrise. These days were festive for many nations. In Russia, since the days of paganism, Ivan Kupala was celebrated on the summer solstice, and Kaliada on the winter day. Thanks for watching.